He learned the sound of silence before he learned his own name. He learned the sound of silence before he learned his own name. His mother left early, not with words, but with a space so large that the village wind still passes through it. The women say he was too young to remember her, but her memory still lives in his bones. It lives in the way his chest tightens when others say mother like it's an ordinary word. No father came to fill up the gap, no shadow to walk ahead of him in the sun. He grew up stitching himself together from hunger, dust and borrowed advices, learning early that survival is a full-time job. Now each morning he knocked on life's doors with hope wrapped in tired hands, and each evening he walked away with another lock rattling in his ears. Work denied, dreams postponed, promises that dissolve like footprints in rain. They told him, try again. So he did. Again and again and again he did, until trying began to feel like begging and begging began to feel like shame. At night he asked the sky questions, it never answers. Am I cursed? Did I arrive wrong into this world? Have the ancestors turned their faces away? The drum silent to my suffering. He searches his reflection for value and finds only scars learning how to speak. Still, his heart beats. Stubborn, defiant, like a drum that refuses to forget its rhythm. But only because even when every door is shut, even when the road says no more, he is still standing, still breathing, still carrying a story that has not finished telling itself. And somewhere, swear somewhere beyond the dust, somewhere beyond the doubt, the ancestors are watching, not absent, but waiting for the moment he realizes he's not abandoned, he's becoming. Thank you.